Hi everyone, welcome to Geeks for Geek School and welcome to a new playlist where we are going to discuss an amazing concepts about coding. So, before starting today's video, I want to emphasize on the fact that why this video is important for you guys. See, I know that everyone knows about the algorithms that have O of n square time complexity. But I guess most of the time people only know about the two algorithms that have O of n square time complexity. In today's video, we are going to discuss about three algorithms that have O of n square time complexity. Now, why do we even care about the algorithms which have such a high time complexity when we already know that we have some algorithms which do the same work in O of n log n or O of n time complexity? So students, whenever you get a very small input or whenever you get a problem which you don't know about, basically a new problem, in that case, what is the most important thing for you? The most important thing for any student is to get the solution for that problem. It doesn't matter if that is optimized or not optimized, right? So today we are going with the same mentality. We are going to come up with the solution of a problem, and then later on in other videos we are going to optimize that problem or optimize that solution. Okay, so in today's video we are going to discuss the algorithms which have O of n square time complexity. Next we are going to discuss the algorithms which have the m complexity as O of n log n, and after that we are going to discuss the algorithms that have time complexity as big O of n. So let's start with today's video. So the very first algorithm that have O of n square time complexity is bubble sort algorithm. I know that many of you already know about bubble sort algorithm. It is a very simple. If you don't know, then you will get an idea, or you will get a hint of how you can understand bubble sort. And if you want to know code, or if you deeply want to understand how bubble sort works, then I have a first step to DSA playlist on GFG School channel. You can go and refer to that. There I have already discussed about a lot of sorting algorithms which have all, like the sorting algorithms which have all the time complexities. And if you specifically want to learn Java, then we also have Geeks for Geeks Java channel, where there you can go and see the Java beginners playlist, and there you can learn a lot about Java. Okay, now let's focus on bubble sort. So in bubble sort, what happens is we swap the adjacent elements if they are in wrong order, and that's how we traverse the whole array. And after each and every pass, one element gets at its right position. Okay, so that's all about bubble sort. Okay, now the second sorting algorithm which have O of n square time complexity is selection sort. So basically what happens in selection sort is we find the minimum element in an array and we put it at its right position. Basically, whenever we apply the selection sort algorithm, our array is divided into two sub-arrays. One is the sorted part, another is the unsorted part. So in each and every iteration, we pick an element, we pick a minimum element from the unsorted part and we put it inside the sorted part. So that's how our whole array gets sorted. Okay. Now, let's talk about the last sorting algorithm that has O of n square time complexity, that I guess that some of you might not know, but then also it's okay if you want to refer the code, or if you deeply want to understand the whole algorithm. Again, I will say just go to Geeks for Geek School and go to the first step to DSA playlist. There I have already explained the whole algorithm and the code also. So I was talking about insertion sort algorithm. So students, if you have played cards at any point of time in your life, then you must have already applied insertion sort algorithm unknowingly. Okay, so see what happens. Let me first tell you what happens, how insertion sort works with an example of cards, and then I'm going to tell you how you can write the code for that. Okay, so what happens is whenever we have multiple cards in our hands, what we do is we pick a card, we swipe all the cards which are bigger than that card, and we put that card which we have in our hand is at its right position, right? So that's how the insertion sort works. Basically, you traverse the array from first index till the last index. You divide the array in two parts virtually. One is the sorted part and another is the unsorted part. So you traverse, the unsorted part is from first index to the last index, and you traverse that whole array. So what happens in that case is you pick an element, that element is a key, and then you compare it with its preceder element. Now, there can be situation where that element can be greater than preceder element or smaller than its preceder element. If it is greater than that preceder element, then there is no need to swap the element. But if the element is smaller than the preceder element, then in that case, what you are going to do is you are going to check for all the elements before that preceder element, and you are going to shift the elements one by one, and that's how you create the space for that key element. And once you get its right position, you put it over there. Okay, so that was all about insertion sort algorithm. Hope this video helped you a bit, and I'll see you next time. Till then, take care, keep coding, keep learning, and if you like the video, then please click on the like button and share it with your friends as much as you guys can. And if you have any suggestions for me, you can write it down in comment. I'll see you next time. Till then, bye bye.